Alright, what's up, boys and girls? So, I'm out in the garage, and you're probably wondering, the truck's in the garage. Well, because, I'll show you why and what I'm doing. So, I'm kind of, redoing the interior, but I'm also got to fix a cab mount, on the frame and the cab and mount had rusted. I got that. I'll show you guys that. So show you what I've done so far. Yeah, I got the driver's seat out, the passenger seat out. Got my speakers out besides that. Got to take the amp out today. I'm gonna try to get all this stuff out today. All the seat brackets. That's probably 5 to 10 pounds right there. If I take that out, I'm taking out as much as I can. I'm probably gonna take out the door seal, all the trim, because, well, I don't need to take this side out. This is that side that I gotta take out. I'm gonna take everything off of that door, off of the fake door, the amp. This is for my speaker box. This is all gonna come out. Center console is gonna come out. The seat's gonna come out. I really don't even have to take this seat out to get to that spot over there. I can just cut the carpet right there where I want to and just leave everything else forward. But how is I might just do that. Take out. I took the seat out because it makes it easier. Still have to take all this stuff off though, and this back wall off. But yep, there we go. And I'll also probably paint this too, because this is, and we'll see. But I also might do the cab corner, or not cab corner, but the rockers and all that other jazzy stuff. So, but anyhow, I can't film it and do it at the same time because I don't have a tripod and or nobody to help me film, so I'll just give you guys progress videos. So anyhow, alright, so last clip you guys seen, I had the amp on the thing, got it out, got my homemade speaker box bracket off. Now I'm working on getting the carpet. Like I said, I'm gonna go from right behind the seat all the way down to here, and I'm gonna do the cab corners, which over there, which I have almost everything to do it with. I know that's not the right bolt for it, but so I can get the right bolt for it, I might try to see if I can. I don't think that's gonna be long enough. But yeah, I got replaced on the bottom side. I'm hoping to get that done today. If I don't, oh well. But now I gotta go get a knife to cut the interior out. Anyhow, boys and girls, I got all the carpet out, and that's what I got to replace, the cab mount. I showed you. That's my temporary mount. But I'm fixing to fix that today, I'm hoping. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy. So when you go to do this, what I'm seeing is drill spot welds out and clean all this metal out. That's just a metal rubber plug, which I'll just put a piece of metal over it or whatever. But yeah, that's what I gotta do. I gotta clean all this seam sealer up, Alright, boys and girls. So I got the driver's seat. I know I said I was going to pull it out. I got the carpet out. Got to where I need to be. I'm going to do everything from the inside. I'm trying to. I know I'm going to have to go from underneath the truck. These are coming out. That one's, they're coming. Both of these are coming out. And my plan is my speaker box will be here. My speaker box will be here with 6x9, my 12s, 6x9 over there, and then this whole area is going to be a toolbox, kind of like a toolbox slide drawer. It comes out here about to here. It's going to come out about to here, so I can really put like my power tools. I'm also going to put my amp on the wall back here. This, I'm going to build this out. Basically, I'm going to build this out from here down. My insulation board, a piece of plywood, and then it's going to be built up for the width of this. And then it's going to be going down. It'll be a 6x9 here, 12s here, a 6x9 there, and then there'll be a wood floor here. I'll eventually get some sound ending and put it in here, there, and there. This is all going to be painted black, but I got to get them spot welds in that corner off, so I can work on it. But anyhow, I figure I can show you guys that, give you guys a little update. This is also going to be a part of the video when I start editing it, and I can't film while I'm doing this because, like I said, I ain't got a tripod for one. But I gotta get that seam sealer crap off the floor. Now since I took the driver's seat out, now I can get in there a lot easier. I still ain't gonna take the center console out unless I have to. Alright, well, I got the mount in, putting it all back together. Give you guys a little welding.
Love the light.
Alright, well, so the last clip you guys seen was that was welded. We got that done. I bed lined it. Put foam board on it because, like I said, I'm gonna build this out the wall out to here to to hook up my speaker box to the wall. And it's going to be a piece of plywood going all the way across. Then it's going to come out to about, like I said, roughly about here somewhere. Probably right about here, realistically. And then from there to there, it's going to be a piece of plywood. And it's be like a come out to here, go down all the way across, and then that'll be that. But I gotta go down underneath the truck and finish bolting the cab mount up. I figured I'd give you so it's yep. Well, I gotta go down and do that. So the next clip you guys will see probably is me putting the driver's seat in and start putting the truck back together. At that point, before I even pull it out of the grind, I gotta fix a few things. I gotta redo the diff cover again. I'm gonna do some metal work I gotta do to the truck, so I don't keep dumping money in fluids, because apparently this truck likes to leak from every corner. But anyhow, please like, rate, or it's at the end of the video. But anyhow, so I'm going to go down there and do that, and yeah. So alright, well, I got the plywood back wall put back together. Got Prince out here whining, but I got that cab mount done, and I figured you get, that's what it's kind of gonna look like. And it's, they're gonna sit on a piece of plywood, but that's sort of what that's gonna look like. It's gonna be probably about this much higher all the way across. I gotta drill, probably gonna have to drill out the holes for this bolt, that bolt, that bolt, and bolt that part down. And got this done. This will be probably get painted eventually black or whatever, you know. But just giving you guys a little update. This is another part of the video, and Prince is supervising, of course. But anyway, I figured I'd give you guys a little, this is another clip. It's all be put together. So alright, y'all, so it's all finished. It's not finished, but it's in the finished stages. So there'll be another video when I finish it. Like, rate, and subscribe, y'all.